Every great flavor begins with the earth, a vast, untouched field in Vietnam, prepared and waiting for the seeds of the world's finest pepper. Precision meets tradition. A modern tractor moves across the terrain, burying the future harvest deep into the nutrient-rich volcanic ground. Under the tropical sun, life erupts. In a matter of weeks, the empty field transforms into a lush, green forest of climbing pepper vines. Witness the miracle of growth. A single flower transforms into a cluster of green berries, the raw form of the king of spices. As the season peaks, the berries ripen, shifting from vibrant green to a rich, deep crimson red, bursting with essential oils. Harvest time. Powerful machines move through the rows, carefully stripping the ripe berries from the vines with surgical precision. Tons of fresh peppercorns are collected, ready for their journey from the farm to the factory, preserving their raw, potent energy. Speed is essential. The fresh harvest must reach the processing plant while the flavor is at its peak, locked within the fruit. The gates of the factory open. This is where nature's raw gift is refined into a culinary masterpiece through high-tech engineering. The process begins. The berries are unloaded, starting a journey through a world of high-tech machinery and strict quality control. High-pressure water jets purge the berries of dust and debris, ensuring only the purest, cleanest fruit remains for the next stage. A brief encounter with steam activates the enzymes that will eventually turn the red skin into the iconic black color of the spice. The drying process begins. Controlled heat and massive airflow slowly remove moisture, concentrating the oils deep within each grain. This is the magic moment. As they dry, the berries shrink and darken, transforming into the intense black pepper we know and love. Size matters. Mechanical sieves sort the peppercorns, ensuring a uniform grade and consistent quality for the final premium product. Lasers scan every single grain. Any imperfection is detected and removed in a fraction of a second by precise bursts of air. Quality is verified in the lab. Samples are tested for piperine content, ensuring the perfect balance of heat and aromatic complexity. The sorted grains are stored in massive silos, protected from light and air to preserve their potent aroma for the upcoming grind. A labyrinth of motion. The pepper moves toward the most critical and aromatic stage of the entire process, the industrial grind. The grains enter the mill. The intense, sharp aroma of freshly cracked pepper begins to fill the entire factory floor. Heavy steel rollers exert immense pressure, fracturing the grains into a coarse, flavorful powder, releasing the trapped essential oils. For a finer texture, the pepper is swirled in a high-speed vortex, ensuring a perfect, silky consistency for every gourmet table. The essential oils are finally released, creating a powerful, invisible scent that is synonymous with the world of fine dining. Automated nozzles dispense precise amounts of ground pepper into paper sachets, instantly sealed to lock in the ultimate freshness. Elegant glass jars are filled next, designed for both the professional kitchen and the discerning home cook who demands the best. The caps are locked tight. The aroma is trapped inside, waiting for the exact moment it finally meets a hot, steaming meal. The final identity is applied. Premium labels roll on, marking the pepper as a high-quality product ready for the global market. Every single jar is weighed by digital sensors. Precision is key to maintaining the trust of millions of customers worldwide. Efficiency at its best. Robotic arms organize the jars into boxes with mathematical precision, ready for large-scale shipping across the globe, sealed and secured. These boxes will protect the precious spice on its journey across oceans and continents to reach your kitchen. Efficiency at its best. Robotic arms stack the boxes with mathematical precision, forming a perfect grid ready for global shipping. Transparent stretch film secures the load, locking the boxes together in a protective barrier against the rigors of international transport. The logistics hub never sleeps, as thousands of tons of black pepper pass through these massive halls, headed to every corner of the professional culinary world. The truck is finally loaded, marking the transition from the quiet tropical farm to the final, most decisive phase of the journey. Across borders and through the night, the premium spice moves closer to its destination, bringing the fire and aroma that will soon transform a simple meal into a feast. Neatly organized and ready, the jars take their place on the shelves, waiting for the hand of a cook who seeks nothing but culinary perfection. From a tropical farm to a kitchen in the city, the journey of the king of spices is complete as it finds its way into the consumer's home. The moment of impact. A subtle dusting of heat and a sharp aroma transform a simple meal into a gourmet feast, releasing years of tradition in every single grain. It is a simple spice that brings the world together, one grain at a time. Quality you can taste and a tradition you can trust. Thank you for watching the journey of the world's most essential spice. Subscribe for more deep dives into how our world is made.